Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a verified Yotpo account and Shopify admin access. Open Shopify, go to Apps, and install Yotpo now. Once installed, grant the permissions it requests so data syncs correctly. You do this early to avoid permission errors later. Then open the Yotpo dashboard from Shopify. Make sure to complete initial store settings like brand name and default review display. This establishes the connection, so the app can inject widgets into your theme automatically. You now configure widgets. In Yotpo's dashboard, choose Product, Collection, and Site widgets and pick placements. For each, customize colors and typography so they match your theme. Small choices increase trust and conversion. Once done, enable automatic review requests under Settings so customers get emails after purchase. You should also import past reviews if available. This populates social proof quickly. Make sure to preview on both desktop and mobile. Adjust spacing to prevent layout shifts. Finish by integrating widgets into your Shopify theme. Add Yotpo app blocks via online store themes or paste the provided widget code into theme. Liquid where product details render. You must test at least 3 product pages on desktop and mobile and clear caches to confirm display. If reviews don't show, check Browser Console for JavaScript errors, reauthorize the Yotpo app in Shopify, and purge CDN caches. That single troubleshooting tip, inspect the console, usually reveals blocking script or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.